Welcome back to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you re doing well. I hope you re in good health. Today's recipe is chicken with potatoes, a well-known Moroccan dish that everyone knows. The method changes from one person to another. Everyone has their own way, and this is mine. Here I have a small onion, a small one, same thing, and we will add it like this, I mean the sides. I prepared it in the pot like this, thinly sliced or grated, as you prefer. All right, I placed it in the pot. I'll add 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, depending on taste, and a small tip of a teaspoon of clarified butter. Just a tiny bit of butter to enhance the flavor. All right, I'll saute the garlic with the onion like this. Just a little. I add some parsley and a cup of water. For spices, I have a small spoon of ginger, half a spoon of turmeric, a quarter spoon of black pepper, half a spoon of dried coriander, and a bit of saffron cube. You can replace it with saffron threads if you have them, and a bit of salt. I'll add all the spices. I'll add them now. All right, I'll stir like this. All right, I'll add the chicken. These pieces are not fully thawed, but they will soften in the water and spices. All right, I'll keep sautéing until they absorb the spices, then I'll return after the chicken browns. Now I'll add a quarter cup of olive oil. We first left it with water and marinade to absorb, then we add the oil. All right, I'll saute them a little again. I'll leave it a few minutes to check. After the chicken browned with the oil, I flipped it so it doesn't burn. All right, now I'll add water. I'll add about half a liter of water like this. The heat is low. I'll leave it to cook for about 25 minutes. It cooks quickly, then we'll return to add the potatoes. Now the chicken is cooked, almost done, because potatoes cook fast. Just a little left. I'll add the potatoes. I cut them like this. You can cut them any way you like. Just like this. Here you go, as you saw. I'll add pitted green olives. I pit them by hand, and I left a few pieces to show you how I remove the pit with this simple method. It comes out just like this, as you saw. It comes out easily. All right, I'll add these pitted olives on top. Some pieces of preserved lemon, and some cilantro and parsley. We kept them for the end so the flavor stays fresh. The sauce turns out delicious. Now I'll cover it and let it cook on medium heat until it is done. I'll return after that. As I said, I'll leave it about 15 minutes The potatoes will be cooked. They will absorb the sauce, and you'll have a bit left to serve on the plate. We'll serve the dish with it, that's all, and I'll return after that. All right, here is the pot. It's done. The potatoes are cooked and the sauce is perfect. After 15 minutes, as I said, keep the heat medium so the sauce reduces well. It becomes perfect with the potatoes. I hope today's recipe pleases you, and I added a spicy chili because I like these hot peppers. With this sauce, I enjoy it. Now I'll turn off the heat and plate it. We'll see the final look, the final presentation, and here is the final look of our dish. With chicken and potatoes, it comes like this. Really wonderful. Try it, and I hope today's recipe pleases you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to receive all new recipes. See you in the next video.